I'm leaving Castrojeriz at 7:10 in the morning, and there's this really nice projector of a yellow Camino arrow pointing the way for us to go. This part of the Camino de Santiago is called the Meseta, and it is known for being flat. But not this morning. We had to climb a very long hill, but got a nice look at the sunrise about just after 8 in the morning. Something I repeated to myself constantly on the Camino de Santiago is what goes up must come down again, and I'm referring to all the hills and mountains. And look at this downhill grade, 350 meters downhill at an 18% grade. Ow, my poor knees. Along the Meseta were many fields with dead sunflower plants. So these sunflowers had just shriveled up and died, and they were acres and acres. They stretched on for miles as far as you could see. I guess they didn't irrigate the crop. Cute little stone bridge that I just walked across. There's the water. I don't think I would be wanting to dip my toes into that. And I have walked into the Provincia de Palencia. Keep on walking one step at a time. So I have arrived in Boadilla del Camino, but my backpack is not. I shipped it ahead and it's not. So I can't even go into the pool yet because I don't have my swimsuit or my towel or anything in my spare clothes. So sucks to be me, but hopefully the backpack will show up in a couple hours.